Here are 10 rising and trending repos on GitHub. TradingAgents is a Python framework that lets you spin up multiple AI agents to research, analyze, and trade financial markets. The README breaks out analyst, researcher, trader, and risk manager roles, so each agent handles one part of the pipeline instead of one model trying to do everything. It's a practical example of how multi-agent setups can split complex workflows into smaller testable pieces. Ruflo is an orchestration layer for Claude that lets you spin up and coordinate hundreds of specialized AI agents across machines and teams. The README shows live demos for a goal planner and a self-hosted web UI, so you can see how the swarm actually routes tasks, shares memory, and keeps conversations on track. If you're building multi-agent systems, this repo gives you a ready-made way to scale beyond single prompts without reinventing the coordination layer. JCode is a Rust-powered coding agent harness built for multi-session workflows. It keeps context across terminal sessions, lets you swap models like Claude or OpenAI, and shows memory scaling charts in the README. The repo's benchmarks on RAM and startup time suggest it's aimed at builders who want a fast, customizable agent that doesn't eat resources. If you're prototyping agent tooling, the way it handles memory and performance might be worth a look. Skills is a JavaScript SDK that lets Claude agents browse the web through BrowserBase's automation stack. The repo shows CLI commands for remote sessions with anti-bot stealth, captcha solving, and proxies, so you can script browser tasks without getting blocked. It's a practical example of how agentic workflows can move from prompts to real web interactions without custom infrastructure. Marketingskills gives AI coding agents ready-made prompts for conversion optimization, copywriting, and SEO. The repo shows a dependency map so agents can chain skills together, like running an A/B test after drafting ad copy. It's built for technical founders who want to hand off marketing tasks without writing every prompt from scratch. The approach shows how modular, reusable prompts can turn AI agents into marketing teammates. TimesFM is a pre-trained time series foundation model from Google Research that lets you forecast future data points without training your own model. The repo shows Python code snippets for loading the model, passing in historical values, and getting predictions back in a few lines. It's built for teams that need forecasting in products like dashboards or spreadsheets, and the approach matters because it shows how foundation models can handle time data without custom pipelines. Camofox-browser is a stealth, headless browser that lets AI agents and scrapers slip past Cloudflare, bot detection, and anti-scraping walls. It swaps in for Puppeteer or Playwright with almost no code change, so existing scripts keep running while the browser mimics human behavior under the hood. The README shows quick start snippets and Docker setups, making it clear this is built for builders who need reliable automation without the usual roadblocks. ShareX is a free Windows app that lets you capture, annotate, and upload anything on your screen with one keystroke. The README shows workflows for screenshots, GIF recording, OCR, and direct uploads to cloud services or custom endpoints. It's a good example of taking a common builder need and making every step scriptable. 9router lets you plug any AI coding tool, Claude Code, Cursor, Anti-Gravity, Copilot, into over 40 providers and 100 models without changing your setup. It automatically routes requests to cheaper or free models when they can handle the job, and the README shows a dashboard that tracks token savings. If you're building with multiple AI backends, this could save you from vendor lock-in and surprise bills. Code Review Graph builds a local knowledge graph of your codebase so Claude only reads the files that actually changed. The repo shows a quick CLI setup, incremental updates under 2 seconds, and benchmarks claiming up to 49x fewer tokens on daily tasks. It's a practical example of using static analysis to make LLM coding assistance more efficient without sending your whole repo to the cloud. Subscribe to Build Things with AI for more AI tools.